you doing, Raina? Raina? I had to feed her rice for a couple of days when she had such a sore belly, and that's what happens when she has rice, even for a couple of days. Like, she starts, she gets sores on her paws, and she gets itchy, and her skin starts flaring up, and her hair starts falling out. It's hideous. Hey Rain, you gonna let me cut your toenails? They're too long. Means she'll scream the house down. She's got a red light on here. This red light thing. Ooh. I'm not much of a camera person, am I? Ugh. Hey Rain, your bed's comfortable. It's a shame you don't want to come on the bed with me. Oh well, more room for me then. And Toya, you're getting a bath today. Toya, Toya, Toy, you getting a bath? You going in the bathtub? Bathtub? Yes. Oh, darling. So her toys, her chicken with no legs and a leg, and then there's another chicken that's got no legs over there. Oh, Lord. I need to try to order another one. I tried, was it yesterday or the day before, but they were all sold out. Thought, oh, that's wonderful. I bought them all. There's none left. Raina, can you not chew your paws? Raina, can you not chew your paws? Is that better if you don't chew your paws? She's not doing all that great, to be honest. She's not able to turn herself over or anything. She's just, you know, we're just trying to get through the weekend. And she's got hydrotherapy tomorrow. Hopefully they'll have a second person that can help, so I can take a little bit of film where she's in the tank. But it's only ever the one girl, which means I have to help, which means I can't really film, so I don't know. There is also a pool. It's like an hour and a half away from where I live. It's an actual pool, which I thought might be a lot better than the tank, so I'll maybe see about trying her out at the pool one time just to see how it goes. I don't know. But anyways. Hey Riri, you okay, darling? You alright, baby? Whining. Whining, whining, whining. Oh. There's Toya. Toya, you're going in the bathtub. She said, oh no, not again. Not again. I'd be lucky it's not you, Rain. You're too big, I can't get you in the tub anymore. No.